Before the dawn, I found the sky. My name was written, my fate was signed. In silent stars, the words were cast. A promise born that time could not outlast. Every step, the page unfolds. Every breath, the story told. The script of heaven carved in light, dreams fulfilled beyond the night. Not borrowed, not taken, always mine, written eternal by design. The river flowed, the earth was new, the first drop whispered what I pursue. Through ages carried, through fire and rain, destiny calls me by my name. Every tear a holy sign, every trial a sacred line. The script of heaven carved in light, dreams fulfilled beyond the night. Not borrowed, not taken, always mine, written eternal by design. The rivers flowed, the earth was new, the first drop whispered what I pursue. Through ages carried, through fire, destiny calls me by my name. Every tear, holy sign, every trail, a sacred life. The script of heaven carving light, dreams fulfilled beyond the night. Not borrowed, not taken, always mine, written eternal by design. The shadow steals, the silence breaks, I haven't gazed, no hand can take. From the first spark I was known, the crown of dreams was always my own. The script of heaven edged above, guided by fire, guarded by love. What I hold now was always mine, faded forever by design.